blockage, huh? Yeah.
Woo.
Unreal. Unreal.
Here comes the Kaiko.
Hey, Evan. How you doing, buddy? We got a surge of lava coming right here. You guys can see it coming down that side of the channel. There is something in it causing some blockage. I am. I love how it's like slow right here and then it's like fast in the middle. How you doing, my brother?
Hey, Kaiko.
Hey, Doug.
Aloha, John.
Selma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Right on.
Finally got the legend on here.
Yeah, I've been waiting. I got what I wanted. He's wearing a microphone.
I'm wired with the mic leaking now. I never thought I'd live to see this. My house is falling into Kilauea. My concrete is all snapped.
Should go up and check out his place.
Kikuno was telling me, he's like,
It's gone down. In fact, my road, 300 yards of my road is cracked.
wow.
Kilauea can't hold itself up anymore.
Wow.
Go up and check that out sometime. It's nuts. It's actually kind of like, wow.